This is downtown Flint. I'm on the south side of downtown Flint. As soon as you come over the 69 bridge overpass on Saginaw, you come right here. Right here, you turn right, and right here, 24-hour towing service. Right off of Saginaw. When you get to 10th Street, turn right, and you're right here. 24 hours a day. And you call us, if you're stranded, we'll send a wrecker to bring your car, or either send somebody to take your tire off and bring it down here. Looky here. Anywhere in Genesee County. It might cost a little more. Anywhere in Genesee County. 24 hours. Only one of the drivers. Come right to this door, and they got you covered. Have a blessed day, everybody.
Carter Tri-State Tires, we open 24 hours. Our phone number is 810-268-6658.
Yep, it's nighttime. And yeah, we're in Flint. But that's okay. Because there's a 24-hour tire shop right on Saginaw and 69. 24 hours a day. This is the man right here. You can come here any time of the day and get your tire changed. It's 11 o'clock at night. And they're still working. They'll be here all night. It's only 24-hour service in Michigan, in Flint. Tire change in less than 5 minutes. This one in under 3 minutes. Quick tire change, emergency services. Watch this. And they'll get it right. See that? Three minutes, start to finish. Watch this. No leaks. No bubbles, nowhere. 3 minutes.
Good.
All right, my man. Good to go. Good.